like a balancing acrobat.
Cool. Let's take a picture.
Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hold on.
Wait.
What are we doing?
Hold on. Let me check this out. Let me examine the situation.
Why didn't it take a picture?
Oh shoot.
Oh,
Did you just fall off the bed? Did you just fall off the bed?
no.
Oh.
I did not do such a thing. I'm perfect in every kind of way possible. Yeah?
Keep dreaming. I'm just kidding, I love you.
You can dream too! So this is my wife, and we love each other, but nobody can tell me
Look at my
because...
hair. Look what you just did to me. You look. Stop messing with my hair. Oh my god.
Oh my god, woman.
I look like I was just like...
Look at my eyes have Tourette's, look.
I just look like I just like... hadn't... I don't know what I just did. Oh my god.
I'm thirsty.
It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Really? Okay, so I just like messed up my hair. I'm like so cool.
Oh my god, she's so cool because she messed up her hair. Her hair is messed up and she's so cool. She's such a princess with her messed up hair. With her messed up hair. She loves messed up hair.
Why are you talking about my hair? Are we still going?
Like,
Oh my god, Samara, we're making a video. We're like not taking a picture, we're making a video.
we already established that like a minute ago.
Did we really?
We really did. This is my retarded friend.
I got into college.
Your mom goes to college.
She does. Like every day. Oh my god.
Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane.
Water bottle. Oh, did I just drop it on your head? Oh my god, and it's like full too. Oh!
Where do you think all the water just went?
Oh snap! I just hit her in the head. And now you just broke my back and I'm gonna die. Oh my god. There goes my life.
You said you wanted to jump off the
Oh my
pier.
god. I did not say I wanted to jump off the pier.
I said you wanted to jump off the pier. Because you said that you wanted to jump off the pier.
Oh,
We have threats. I got a water bottle.
I have a cramp in my foot. Ow. It really hurts.
I'm doing. Trust us.
Smart.
Look at my hand, Dewey. Look at. I'm hypnotizing people.
I can hypnotize people all night long. Oh, you just missed my completely cool, like, sexy move. Whatever!
I have Chinese food downstairs.
Oh my god, Chinese food.
I'm not hungry though. I'm really thirsty.
Drink this water that I gave you. Drink it.
I gave it to you. Look at I'm emo now.
Should we stop this before it gets any lamer? Yeah. No more pictures.
Goodbye. Way too close.
Yeah.